Igbo vowels. This lesson is on Igbo vowels, but let's start with the English vowels. There are 5 vowels in English language. They are A, E, I, O, U. In Igbo, we have 8 vowels. The 8 vowels include the 5 from English and 3 additional vowels. The additional vowels are A, O. So in all, in Igbo, we have 8 vowels, and they are A, E, O, U, O. I will take it again. A, E, O, U, O. And the 8 vowels can be divided into 2 groups. The A group includes A, E, O. This is called the light sounding group. The other group is the A group, and it includes A, E, O. This is the heavy sounding group. These groupings will be relevant when we talk about vowel harmony. Okay, thank you. Bye.